Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm excited to introduce to you the game-changing piece of furniture, the Newtral Freedom X. If you're someone who loves comfort, flexibility, and even has pets that like to join you, this chair is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're working, relaxing, or spending time with your furry friends, the Newtral Freedom X adapts to all your needs. Let's start with one of the most amazing features of the Newtral Freedom X. It's adjustable armrests. These can be moved to multiple angles, so you can go from sitting position to a fully relaxed lying position in just seconds. Whether you're working on your laptop or lounging for a movie, this chair can adapt to whatever posture you need. And for those of you with pets, this feature also lets your pets easily climb onto the chair and join you, keeping them close while you work or unwind. Pets always want to be near us, right? With the Newtral Freedom X, you don't have to worry about them not being able to join you. The adjustable armrest makes it easy for your pet to climb onto the chair and snuggle beside you. It's the perfect setup for a productive work session or just enjoying some downtime with your furry companion by your side. Now let's talk about that foldable tabletop. It's an incredibly versatile feature that can hold your laptop, tablet, or even a drink. If you're working from home, reading, drawing, or doing makeup, this surface comes in handy. And when you're done with it, the tabletop folds up neatly, giving you back more space and keeping everything organized. No more clutter, just convenience. From working to reading, drawing, or simply relaxing, the Newtral Freedom X has you covered for just about any activity. The foldable tabletop is great for everything from holding your laptop to supporting your drink, and the adjustable armrest ensure you're always comfortable, no matter what you're doing. It's the perfect balance between functionality and comfort. So this is how the chair looks. It's made of a nice premium leatherette material, nice and soft cushion. Here are the wheels. You see the premium wheels. They move freely and it's not going to scratch your floors. Down here, this lever here is to allow you to give yourself more room on the back. You bring this up, then you're able to slide the seat cushion forward or backwards. This lever here is for to raise the chair up and down. This one, if you turn it, this gives you more pressure to either lean the chair back forward or backwards easier. When you want to move the armrest, you have to first bring it forward towards the chair, and then you bring it back, and then once you bring it all the way down, you're going to hear a click, and then you're able to adjust it to your desired position. Same thing goes with this one. With the backrest, if you want to raise it, you bring it up slowly when it clicks, and once you bring it all to the top, then it drops again. For the table, you just pull it here, and then it clicks once it stops, and then there's even a little safety stop here, so that way your laptop doesn't fall over, and if you need to raise it up, you just bring this up like that. So like another cool feature is this table, it could go in different angles. So when you first lift it up and you hear the first click is nice and level, then you could click it again. Is a slight more angle, another angle, and then it goes all the way down. So whether you're working long hours, enjoying a book, or just want to spend some quality time with your pets, the Newtral Freedom X is the perfect solution. With its adjustable armrest, foldable table, and the ability to move anywhere, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Don't miss out on this incredible chair. Click the link below to get yours today and enjoy ultimate comfort and versatility. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.